If you're passionate about cooking, you know that the quality of your cookware can make or break your culinary experience. This Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan, cast iron melting pot, 2 quart, made in Colombia, is a true testament to durability, versatility, and efficiency. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this saucepan is designed to elevate your cooking game with features that promise exceptional performance and longevity. A deep dive into key features. Number 1. High-quality cast iron build. The Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan is crafted from top-notch cast iron, ensuring excellent heat retention and durability. The seasoned surface, treated with non-GMO, kosher-certified flaxseed oil, provides a natural non-stick property, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware, this pan is free from harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA, ensuring healthier cooking for you and your family. Number 2. Exceptional heat retention and distribution. Cast iron's renowned ability to evenly distribute and retain heat is unmatched. Whether you're simmering sauces, melting butter, or reheating soups, this saucepan maintains consistent temperatures, ensuring perfectly cooked dishes every time. Number 3. Ergonomic design for convenience. The saucepan's long, ergonomic handle offers excellent leverage and a secure grip, minimizing the risk of accidents. Its invisible curvature prevents warping over time, a feature often overlooked in cheaper alternatives. Additionally, the dual-pour spouts ensure mess-free serving, reducing spills and making it a practical choice for everyday use. Number 4. Multifunctional versatility. This saucepan is compatible with a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric stovetops, ovens, grills, and even campfires. Its versatility makes it the perfect companion for indoor and outdoor cooking, ensuring you can create your favorite recipes wherever you are. Number 5. Sustainability and longevity. Victoria's cookware is manufactured with resource-efficient materials, emphasizing sustainability. The cast iron saucepan is designed to last for decades, making it an economical and eco-friendly investment compared to disposable alternatives. Performance in the kitchen. Using the Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan is an absolute delight. Its non-stick surface ensures that ingredients don't stick, even when using minimal oil. The drip-free spouts add a layer of convenience, particularly when serving delicate sauces. The saucepan's even heat distribution minimizes hot spots, ensuring that food is cooked to perfection. From making bechamel sauce to preparing a hearty gravy, the 2-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium-sized tasks. Its restaurant-quality design ensures professional results, whether you're making meals for your family or hosting a dinner party. Why choose Victoria? Economical and eco-friendly. The saucepan's durability means you'll save money in the long run by not needing frequent replacements. Its use of natural, sustainable materials aligns with modern environmental values, making it a guilt-free addition to your kitchen. Easy maintenance. Cleaning the Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan is straightforward. Simply hand wash it with warm water and a brush or sponge, dry thoroughly, and apply a thin layer of oil to maintain its seasoning. This low-maintenance approach keeps the pan looking and performing like new. What makes it stand out? The Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan stands apart from the competition due to its combination of premium craftsmanship, user-friendly design, and unbeatable value. While many cast iron products are heavy and cumbersome, Victoria strikes a balance between weight and practicality, making it easy to handle without compromising performance. Customer testimonials. This saucepan has completely transformed how I make sauces. The even heat distribution and non-stick surface are fantastic. I love that it's chemical-free too. The quality of this saucepan is top-notch. The ergonomic handle and pour spouts are game-changers. Highly recommend it to anyone who loves cooking. I've used this pan on my induction stove and even over a campfire. It performs beautifully every time. A must-have for any kitchen. Conclusion. This Victoria Cast Iron Saucepan 2-quart is a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. Its durability, versatility, and thoughtful design make it a standout in the world of cookware. From its chemical-free seasoning to its ergonomic handle and drip-free spouts, every detail is designed with the user in mind. Backed by decades of craftsmanship, this saucepan promises reliable performance and exceptional value. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.